Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is super exciting because as you can probably see here, we have the 2022 YesStyle Advent Calendar. This year's theme is beauty and the bakery, which is super cute as you can see from the box. I did unbox last year's Advent Calendar, so if you want to check that out and compare, I'll leave it up here in the card and also down below in my description. But I just really love this year's concept. I prefer it much more to last year's, and just the box and the design. Like, this would be such a treat to purchase for yourself, for a friend, for your partner. If there's any guys watching, this is seriously such a good gift and it really is such a good bargain. I feel so lucky to even receive this from YesStyle. They were kind enough to send it to me to unbox it with you guys, so this is such a treat. So yes, this is YesStyle's 2022 Advent Calendar. It is going to be on pre-order on October the 4th, and then the official release date will be October the 11th. So that just kind of ensures that you will receive this before December 1st, so that way you can open up the Advent Calendar as you count down to Christmas, which is super exciting. Like, this would be even a cute decor under the tree. So in the Advent Calendar, of course, you get 24 products. This will range from Korean skincare to Korean beauty, and everything in here is worth over $300 USD, but the retail price is $164.90. I do have an affiliate code with YesStyle, which is YESJUDY, so if you want to use that code, you can get a little bit of an extra discount on this, which is already such a good value. You're pretty much paying half the price for all of these products. So of course, today's video, I am going to unbox it. There is going to be spoilers. I'm going to show you everything you get inside. Of course, I will leave that all down below in my description as well with links. I will link all the individual products along with the Advent Calendar itself. So everything you need to know, I'll put it down below. So with that being said, let's hop into the unboxing. Alright, so here is the Advent Calendar for 2022. So it comes in a big box like this, and then you just open it up like a book, and you'll have all of the 24 products hidden inside, which is super cute. And what I like about this year's packaging is definitely that you could repurpose this entire box. But yes, let's go in order from day one. So number one is up here. We have the Roman My Cheek But Better in number 3 Blueberry Chip. This is a really pretty blush. I've always wanted to try Roman, but I don't think they are cruelty free, so I'm gonna have to pass this one on. But it looks like a really pretty pale mauvey pink blush. Super pretty. I feel like a blush is a great way to start off the Advent Calendar. And then over here we have number 2, which is a skincare product. This one is from Innisfree. It's a mini size of their Chestnut AHA 8% Clear Essence. This would be great for travel. I have one of their products. Oh no, I think I used one of their cleansers before, but I'm not too familiar with the brand, but it's nice. It comes in a little mini size because I am going on a little vacation next week, so maybe I could bring this along with me, but I believe this brand is cruelty free. Okay, number 3 is right here on the other side. We have the Moonshot Performance Lip Blur Fixing Tint. This one is in number 6 Bang. I've always wanted to try Moonshot as well, but this brand is not cruelty free. I just heard really great things about them, but this is what the packaging looks like. Pretty unique. Then we go into number 4, which is over here. What's in here? Oh, okay. This one is from Yul. This is their Black Tea Time Reserve Eye Patch. I've actually tried a few things from this brand and I really love it. It's a really simple, clean skincare brand. I love me a good eye patch, so I'm glad I have this one. Next is number 5. Let's go in here. This one I love. I'm so glad this is in here because this is also pretty expensive. This one is from Rovington Clean. It's their LHA Blemish Ampule. I literally swear by this product, guys. I broke out pretty badly. I think it was April or something, and then I started using this and it literally helped so much with my breakouts, and because of that I don't go without this in my skincare routine. But let's go into number 6, which is just over here. We have the, what is this? This is the Maison Vegan Eyeliner in the shade Black. That is nice. I'm familiar with Maison as a skincare brand. I didn't know they had makeup, so that was nice. Then we go into number 7, which is right next door. Another favorite product of mine. This one is from Beauty of Joseon. It's their Glow Serum Propolis and Niacinamide. I absolutely love this as well. I've actually already used 2 full serums of this, and I've also tried their green tea one, and there was another one from them that I tried. So in total, I have tried 5 serums from Beauty of Joseon. Such an amazing brand, and their serums are really amazing too. So I'm glad I have this one as well. I'm so excited. So now we move into number 8. Let me find number 8. Number 8 is over here. Number 8 is from Na Ming. It's their Reflecting Pearl Fixer. It's so pretty. Anything with the name Pearl in it. Now we move into number 9, which we have, I believe, oh, this is a skincare product. It's from Fruitia. I've never heard of this brand before actually. It's a mini size of their Avocado Relief Cream. The packaging looks exactly like the Winnie the Pooh lip balms that Colourpop came out with earlier this year. Number 10. Number 10 is here. This one is the by Wishtrend Green Tea and Enzyme Powder Wash. I also have tried a fair few things from Wishtrend, but I have not tried this product out, so I'm curious to try this. So we got another skincare product, exciting. And then number 11. Number 11 is from Neogen. This is the Extra Slim Metal Maxi Scara. So Neogen also is another brand. I am familiar with their skincare. Not that I've tried it, but I know they have a lot of skincare. They collab with Joan Day as well. I didn't know they had makeup. So we move into now number 12. Number 12 is a big one. Number 12 is a big one. Okay, this one, it is in a green reusable cotton rounds. This is from Perudo. Honestly, this might seem like a cheap item to put in, but I feel like it's something that I really need. And it comes in a little mesh bag, which is so cute. So these are reusable, and honestly, oh, they're really soft. There's actually quite a few in here. There's 10 pads. I actually needed this, so I'm happy I have it. And then number 13, it's a tiny one over here. This one is from a brand Make P Rem. It's their Peel Me Radiance Peeling Sleeping Mask. I think I've seen this brand here and there, but I've never tried anything from them, so gotta do some more research on them. But this looks really nice. We love a good sleeping mask. Now let's go into number 14. What's in 14? From the brand Co-Ring Co. It's their Shalala Snowball Lip Balm. And number 3, Swan's Lake. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's so cute. Then we have 15 right next to it. This product is the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Facial Oil. I have never heard of this brand either, but it says it won the Red Dot Award in 2019, so it must be a pretty well-established brand. I've just never heard of them, but we have a facial oil. Let's go into 16. We got a little brow pencil. This is from Queen. It's their My Waterproof Auto Eyebrow Pencil in Walnut Brown. I think my friend Denise really loves this. Or does she use their eyeliner? I can't remember, but I guess with this brow pencil, it would be tricky since we all, you know, use a different shade of eyebrow pencil. Even if I could use this brand, Walnut Brown probably wouldn't match me. And then number 17 down here, the brand is Seoris. It's their Bring Back Memories hand cream, which is super cute. Packaging as well looks very organic and natural and everything like that. So you have a hand cream. Now we go into 18. 18, it fits perfectly. It's so satisfying. Okay, so number 18 is from the brand Some by Me. It's their Propolis B5 Glow Barrier Calming Mask. Sounds amazing. I'm gonna pass this one on because I know Some by Me is not cruelty free, but sounds amazing. Now we have number 19 over here. 19 is from Clio. It's their Extreme Gel Presso Pencil Eyeliner. So this is just an eyeliner, which is amazing. I wish I could try Clio. I think Clio is one of the brands that I really want to try if they were cruelty free. But now we are moving into the 20s. We don't have a lot of products left. Number 20 is, what is this? This is from a brand called JUDY. Also haven't heard of this brand before. It's their Vegan Rice Milk Moisturizing Cream. A lot of the skincare products are vegan. I think Korean skincare right now have a lot of emphasis on that, but I'm not sure if the brand is cruelty free because the product can be vegan, but the brand might not be cruelty free. I'm gonna assume they most likely are. Then we have 21, which is pretty big. I'm hoping it's an eyeshadow palette. So this one's from the brand Too Cool for School. It's their Art Class by Rodin Shading Master palette in #1 Classic. It's like a powder contour with 3 different shades. That looks really, really pretty. I'm hoping we get an eyeshadow palette because we still have not got an eyeshadow palette yet, but let's see number 22. Number 22 is the CosRX Lip Sleep Ceramide Lip Butter Sleeping Mask. I've actually had this on my wish list to try. I wanted to try one of their sleeping masks, so I'm excited I can try this. Then number 23, are we gonna get an eyeshadow palette? Oh, we have sheet mask and a lot of sheet masks. Oh, these are foot sheet masks. You get 5 in here. So you get 5 foot sheet mask, not sheet mask. Yeah, is it sheet mask? It's still a sheet mask, yeah. But you get 5 of them. I was just like expecting 1, but there's 5, which is really cool. I probably do need this. But onto the grand finale, number 24. It's right up here. It looks too small to be an eyeshadow palette, which is a bummer if it's not an eyeshadow palette. But yeah, it's not an eyeshadow palette. It is the Peta Peta Sugar Twinkle Liquid Glitter. Okay, this one is quite nice. I love me a glitter, and it does go on the eyes. That was number 24. Those were all the products. I think there is a pretty good mix of skincare to makeup, and I do think there are some really key products. I mean, there are some of my staple favorite skincare products in here, but there were also some brands I've never heard of. I will say definitely from what I'm taking out of this box is leaning more towards the skincare side. I don't think there's much makeup that I personally can try in this box, but that is just to me. I am cruelty free. That was the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful to see what's inside. Just in case, maybe, you know, it might seem like it's something you want, but when you look at the products, maybe not so much. But if you're getting it as a surprise for a friend, I think this is such an amazing gift. Truly, they will not be disappointed. Like, it's so exciting. It's so exciting. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching as always. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!